21. I've been back here. So it's quite a few years since the filter's been changed. It's tripping out, it won't stay on. I'll start with a filter. F4. I'll bleed it through the pump after. It's probably pretty bad. How many years? It's been a while. Crazy bad. I'll have to change it. Bio slime. Look crazy bad. I'm gonna bleed it through the pump. It's an F4 in a big hole. We'll bleed it through the pump, like I said. The air. Make sure I get a good flow. We'll check the pump filter at the same time. Let's see what we got going on here for our nozzle. Change this before. Wasn't an issue. CAD cell's not black. Might not be getting fuel. It might have lost its prime. That's possible. Then we'll bleed the air. We'll check the. Needed a new filter anyway. It's been a lot of years. Oh yeah, look at the carbon on the head. Look at that. That's no good. I gotta send the guy a picture of that. That's bad. That will knock any carbon off the head if there's any carbon on it. Look at the carbon on the electrodes. That's really bad. It's not all black, the filter, so we know that it's not, the pump's probably not bad. The pump filter's probably not bad. Yeah, electrodes are a little wonky. They're a little wonky. That carb cleaner will clean this plate off good. The carbon off everything. A lot of carbon on there. Possible that it says transformer that's gone too, but I doubt it. It probably just needs a good cleaning. Those are good. It's a good service, that's all. It's good to keep this plate clean because it'll reflect the light and help the ohm reading. That's carburetor cleaner down the side there, that's why I'm reusing it. I sprayed it, that's carb cleaner. That helps get rid of that carbon. We'll reset these electrodes, we've got the new nozzle in there, she should fire right up. See what these look like. I might want to bend them in some. Yeah, see how far apart they are. Tweak them in a little bit. You want to get it like 1/8 of an inch in front of the nozzle. And then maybe like I like to go 1/4 inch apart. They're supposed to be less, but I like to go like 1/4 apart. Or 1/8 of an inch in front. And then something like that above it. That's pretty damn close right there. That needs to be perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Alright. We'll bleed it. I left the air in the container, so there's going to be air in this thing. We have to bleed it. What's good about this is it's got the protector relay. I could jump it out. Once I start it, I'll jump out FF, and then we'll bleed it to get a good flow here. All right, get this ready to bleed. This one's the, I want to get a good oil flow out of this thing. And we'll reset it. Get a good oil flow once the air comes. Air in there because we left air in it, remember? So here comes the air. Once the air comes out, we could shut it off and we should fire. Bleeding the air out now. And we'll be able to tell if this is dirty by the flow I'm getting here. Nice flow. So we want to get a good flow and then shut it. She fired right up. Just needed a good service. Well, I took it out, I put a new nozzle in there, and I cleaned the burner head good with carburetor cleaner, reset the electrodes, new filter. Gotta be done once a year. You should have a burner guy come in and service this thing, because that's what happens. It gets all carboned up, and then it won't run.
Okay, so I'm still new to the
Well, I mean, I do burner service. I mean, what'd you call me? You call me to fix it. I'm right next door. Either that or call another burner guy. I mean, it don't matter to me. It's gotta be done. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, clean burner head, reset electrodes. It ran up and shut off on limit. I'm gonna let that go. He's my neighbor, this guy, so. I'll give it a couple of days and I'll give him a slip. Make sure it's okay.